Imagine a world where learning is not limited by the four walls of a classroom or the pace of a teacher's lecture. Welcome to the dawn of artificial intelligence in education, a revolution that's transforming the face of learning. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all teaching methods. Enter personalized learning platforms powered by AI, tailoring education to each student's unique needs and learning styles. But it doesn't stop there. AI virtual tutors are stepping up, providing one-on-one tutoring, adapting to each learner's pace, and making education a truly individualized experience. Let's not forget the role of immersive learning. Picture this: educational VR simulations that transport you right into the heart of a Civil War battleground or onto the surface of Mars. An engaging, interactive, and immersive learning experience like never before. So, with AI taking center stage, what does this mean for the future of education? The impact of AI in education is substantial and its potential limitless. Let's take a peek at some real-world case studies. In Japan, for instance, an AI-powered language tutor is creating waves by tailoring lessons to match individual learning styles and paces. This intelligent tutor can detect when a student is struggling and adjust its teaching style accordingly, making language learning more accessible and engaging. Across the ocean in the United States, a virtual reality platform is taking high school students on immersive trips to the Civil War era, sparking interest and facilitating a deeper understanding of history. Then there's the case of a personalized learning platform in Finland, which uses AI to adapt curriculum content based on a student's progress, resulting in improved academic outcomes. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to make learning even more personalized and engaging. But what are the ethical implications? As with any technological advancement, AI in education comes with its own set of ethical considerations. While it's thrilling to imagine a world where each student has a personalized AI tutor, we must also consider the implications of data privacy. With AI systems collecting and analyzing vast amounts of student data to improve learning outcomes, it's paramount to ensure that this information is handled with utmost care to maintain student privacy. Furthermore, we must grapple with the issue of algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data reflects societal biases, these biases can be inadvertently replicated in the AI's decisions. For instance, an AI system might favor certain learning styles over others, unintentionally disadvantaging some students. Lastly, it's essential to ensure equitable access to AI-powered learning tools. Every student, regardless of their socio-economic background, should have the opportunity to benefit from these advancements. As we embrace AI in education, it is crucial that we navigate these ethical concerns to build a more inclusive and engaging learning environment.